Okay, Salwa, today we will look at have to do or has to do as an obligation. So when it's obligatory or necessary for you to do something, we say you have to do it. For example, you have the exam this week. You have an exam this week, we say you have to study. Yeah, you have a train, you bought a train ticket and the train leaves at, for example, 10 o'clock. So you have to get to the station before 10 o'clock or you will miss the train. So these are obligations. Let's go. Can you read these examples? Read from the top.
Have to do, has to do. Obligation. When it's obligatory or necessary for you to do something, you have to do it. I have an exam this week, so I have to study hard. My train leaves at 10 a.m., so I have to get to the station before 9 a.m. My flight is at 12 p.m., so I have to arrive at the airport an hour before that.
At the airport.
At the airport.
Not poo, it's airport. Port. Airport. Look at it. Airport. Port. It's not a
Port.
sound, it's an O sound. O. Airport. But not airport. It's not pot, it's port. It's long. Look at it. So airport. Yeah. Correct.
Airport.
Mm.
Airport. An hour before that.
Mm.
Tomorrow is a public holiday, so I have to do the shopping today.
Mm.
The sun rises at 7 a.m., so I have to wake up at least half an hour before that to pray the Fajr prayer on time.
Mm.
If you want to pass your exam, you have to study properly and regularly.
Mm.
If you don't want to miss your train, you have to get on the station on time.
You have to get to the station on time.
You have to get to the station on time.
Mm.
If you want to keep healthy, you have to eat healthy food. If you want to keep fit, you have to do exercise. If you want to improve your speaking, you have to read easy books a lot. If you want to understand something, you have to concentrate on that. If you want people to remember you, you have to help them with something.
Mm.
If
Again, this sentence.
if you want if you want people to remember you, you have to help them with something.
You have to help them with something good.
If you want your parents to make dua for you, you have to look after them.
You have to look after them.
Yes, after them. If you want to lead someone, you have to take care of them. Salwa wants to improve her speaking, so she has to take some lesson every week.
Some lessons.
Some lessons every week. Amira can't speak English, so she has to learn it. Abid is sick, so he has to see the doctor. Khalid wants to Khalid wants to travel on a
to a foreign country. To a foreign country.
To a foreign country. So
to another country, yeah. So from Spain to, for example, Italy, or from Spain to, I don't know, Saudi Arabia or the USA or Canada, a foreign country, another country, yeah, far away.
Okay. So he has to travel by plane.
Hmm.
Why
Walid.
Walid doesn't have the money to buy the bus ticket, so he has to walk to school.
Again, this sentence.
Walid doesn't have the money to buy the bus, so
Bus
he
ticket.
has
Bus ticket.
bus ticket,
Hmm.
so he has to walk to school.
Yeah. So basically, we say I have to do something, or you have to do something, or he has to do something, or she has to do something. Okay. With I, we, you, or they, we say have to. And with he, she, we say has to. Okay. Okay. With this, we will finish this session. Thank you. Make sure you revise it properly.